Looking for a fast-charging, ultra-responsive stylus for your iPad? Meet the 2X Fast Charge Active Stylus Pen, designed for 2018 to 2025 Apple iPads. Take your creativity and productivity to the next level. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Woman who changed name to raise 4K pounds for BBC children in need denied passport. A mother from North Wales raised thousands of pounds for charity by changing her name, but has now been left pleading with the Home Office for 16 years to grant her a passport after it was deemed as frivolous and potentially in breach of copyright. Eileen DeBont legally changed her name to Pudsey Bear in tribute to the BBC Children in Need's teddy mascot. It was done after she ran an eBay auction to raise money for the charity back in 2009. The 53-year-old gave a list of 50 options and pledged to change her name to the one chosen by the highest bidder. Her bank details, utility bills, and medical records are all under the name, and even her tarot reading business is listed on companies' houses under the name Mrs. Pudsey Bear. But despite her name change being accepted by a number of businesses and governmental organizations, the Home Office refused to grant her a passport in 2009 after it deemed her name change frivolous. Read more: passenger charged for wrong name, yet booking form was too short. When she sought for advice on the situation again this month, Mrs. Bear was informed that her application could fail again because it potentially breaches copyright laws. She was further advised to get permission from BBC, who own the copyright, before continuing with the process. The matter has caused significant concern for the 53-year-old who had to give up driving for medical reasons and says she has been left without any form of photographic ID. As well as not being able to travel abroad under her new name, she claims her online business has also been impacted and she is not able to vote. After 16 years of living with a new name, Mrs. Bear believes she should be granted a new passport, but is worried that her application will fail again. Don't miss: holidaymakers urged to check passport for one change report, passport renewal. How to change the name on your passport insight: student changes name by deed poll because it's cheaper than paying Raya Reveal. We use your sign-up to provide content in ways you've consented to and to improve our understanding of you. This may include adverts from us and third parties based on our understanding. You can unsubscribe at any time. Read our privacy policy. She told Mail Online, "All my bills, bank details, the GP, my local health trust. Everywhere else has accepted my new name, everywhere except the passport office. When I applied in 2009, their reasoning was that it was a frivolous name and before the answer was no." She revealed that the solution offered was a note that would have been placed on the back page of her passport, informing that she was also known as Pudsey Bear. Mrs. Bear continued, "I just had to accept that in the end, but that passport has now expired, and I need a passport that aligns with my official name. This issue is now affecting my online business, because to sell services digitally and use streaming platforms you need to provide an in-date and valid form of photo ID, and I don't have one." When asked if she would consider changing back her name, she highlights that represents something really quite wonderful and is a reminder that life can be fun. A spokesperson for the UK Deed Poll Office said it is aware of cases in which names have been turned down over trademark and copyright issues, however added that the Passport Office was inconsistent in its decisions. They said, under trademark law, simply having a name, even if it matches a registered trademark, does not automatically mean you are infringing on that trademark. Trademark law is designed to prevent businesses from using names in a way that causes confusion in the marketplace or unfairly benefits from an established brand. However, an individual using a name on a passport is not trading or conducting commercial activities, so there is no actual trademark violation. The Passport Office's approach is inconsistent. Since there's no structured way to check all trademarks, decisions seem to be made based on what Passport Office officials happen to recognize rather than a clear legal rule. This leads to arbitrary outcomes, where some trademark names are rejected while others, like William Morrison or Paul Smith, are accepted. A spokesperson for the Home Office confirmed this week that it would welcome a new application from Mrs. Bear, adding, All passport applications are considered on their individual merits and assessed in line with official guidance.